Magic greetings, my dear little friends. How are you today? I hope your hearts are bright and happy. Now, sit comfortably and listen to a lovely story from Miss Fairy about a kind otter who loved her river very much. In a clear, sparkling river, there lived a gentle otter named Bibi. Bibi was not famous for swimming the fastest, but for loving to keep the river clean and tidy. Every morning, while the air was still cool, Bibi collected fallen branches, floating leaves, and strange things carried by the river. "I want this river to stay safe and clean," Bibi said with a smile, "so everyone can play happily." Little fish swam freely, frogs jumped without slipping, ducklings splashed and laughed with joy. One day, after a heavy rain, the river became messy and slippery. Many animals were afraid to play there, but Bibi did not give up. She worked harder, moving stones, clearing the water, and fixing the riverbank. An old turtle watched and said, "Bibi, you are wonderful. This river feels safe because you care." Bibi smiled shyly. "I just want everyone to be happy," she said softly. From that day on, the other animals helped Bibi too. They learned that taking care of nature is a shared responsibility. Soon, the river was clean again, full of laughter, safety, and joy. Dear friends, from Bibi, we learn that small acts of care can create big happiness, and a clean environment makes everyone feel safe and loved. Thank you for listening, my lovely friends. Remember, just like Bibi the otter, we can protect our environment in small ways every day. See you in the next magical story. Stay kind, stay caring, and keep smiling. Miss Fairy loves you. Bye-bye.